How to delete a Rednote account on your device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily delete your Rednote application account. So first thing, make sure you are inside your Rednote application and make sure you have successfully logged in with your account. And once you're inside here, you will see the option called settings. You can see right next to the profile option, and once you're inside here, you'll see you simply have to click on the account security option. And as you can see, there is an option called account cancellation. So when you click on it, it will ask you to verify your phone number. So just wait for your verification code to arrive. It might take 60 seconds for your verification code to arrive. As you can see, it has already arrived on my screen. So hit the verification code that they sent you and simply click on red button. And you may want to translate this. I don't even understand this, what is written here. You might want to screenshot this and take it to Google Translate to translate this. It's up to you. And when you do that, simply click on this red button and it will again ask you to select any region, and just click on the red button and just again on the red button, and your account should be deleted. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.